Hey guys, it's me, Lil. Welcome back to some more Pikmin 2. Yeah, there's my sister. She's on the treadmill right now. I don't know why. But anyway, yeah, we have a treadmill. Anyway, in the last episode, we beat the first sub-level of the Bulblax Kingdom. And in this episode, we're going to be tackling the second sub-level where we got a bunch of fire jewels and fire spouses. Yes, I know that quite well. Fire jewel right there, and fire jewel. These out. Lemmy, stop singing Teammates Movie. That is a really not good movie. Lemmy, I can hear you. Okay, anyway, take out the 2 fire jewels. Make sure you get all the fire spouses. And there should be a treasure on top of there if this is your first time playing.
I'm done, bye.
So,
Bye.
yeah, Livy's just odd. Anyway, the 2 remains, and that's actually the 4. Yeah, it's pretty short. The next 4 is probably going to be the death of me, because they have the stupid weathering blowhogs. God. So see you guys on the next one.